Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel leelawebdev. So in the previous video we have learned about this anything asymmetric matcher, right? So in the same scenario we have another asymmetric matchers also. That is another one is most notably we need to remember, that is any. So what is the difference between this any and anything matcher? We need to know. So if you try to go here at the top, you will be able to see where we have searched for the anything. So any, you will be having any. In the any you need to pass the class, so we'll able to see that one. So this is also one type of any asymmetric matcher, and it will be used in the equality. That will be succeed if the actual value being compared is an instance of the specified class or constructor. So this is the thing you need to understand. So whether it is instance of a specified class or constructor or not, we'll try to see it. So let's try to see that one, whether it will how we can check this one. So for example, let's say that here we are having any matcher, right? So we are checking about this any matcher, and here we need to check that it should be an instance. Okay, should be an instance. So now I can use this function, and here in the same scenario what I will try to do is I will try to initialize the calculator, okay, and I will initialize this to total. You know that calculator is an object, okay, it's a calculator is an object, and the calculator dot total so is equal to 10 means, so now the calculator object contains the total, so it is an object, overall it is an object. If you want to check that whether it is an object or anything means, so you can use this expect calculator, okay, dot to equal. So you can use this method Jasmine.any of, as this one is an object, you can use directly like this object. So whether it is an object or not, we can check it like this. So the type we can check it using like this. So now if you try to see the namespace, okay, here should be an instance, it got success. Now so for example, the calculator dot total, the total value, you know that it is a number. So you can also check that one, expect calculator dot total. So we know that it is the type is a number. So you can check that to equal Jasmine dot any of. So you can add the number here. That's it. So here you need to use like this number. Now if you try to see, again the spec has been passed. Now for example, let's try to see that it is a string. Let's try to see. So I have mentioned that calculator dot total should be a string. Now what will happen? Let's try to see. See here we got error. Right? What is telling? Expected 10 to be equal to Jasmine.any of string. So it is not a string. 10 means it's a number value. So for that reason, what we need to do? So we can use this number. So this is how we will be checking that one. So for example, if any value, expected value, if you want to check with any instance or not, we will be using this any. Okay. So any asymmetric matcher will be used. We will be using that one. So whether the expected value is an instance to a class or a constructor. So here you may be thinking that so calculator is an instance for the calculator function, right? So why can't we use this calculator here? Yeah, you can use it. So calculator itself is an object. So first it's extends in here is the object. So that is the reason I have written the object. So if you want, you can also use the calculator here. Now if you try to see, the spec has passed in this one also. So object is a global one. So top it will be a parent thing. So calculator is the instance of this one. So like this also you can check it. So if you want to check anything, so to be an instance of, if you want to check any value or anything to be instance of any class or constructor means, we can use this any. Whereas anything means anything. It can be a string or number or a boolean or what I can say, other than null or undefined, anything. So anything other than null or undefined. So it will give you the true. Here any means you will be checking the instance thing. So that is the main difference between the anything and any. So hope you understood about this any also. So there will be a minute difference between this anything and any. Any means it will check whether it is instance of particular class or constructor or not. It will try to check it. It will give you the type. Whereas anything means so other than null or undefined. So anything it will accept. So this is the difference between this any and anything. Hope you understood about this asymmetric matcher. So similarly there are lot more matchers are there. If you want to know means here you can go. one by one. So something like here we have learned about this any matcher. Now you understood about this anything, and anything also you understood. If you try to see truthy means nothing but that will succeed if the actual value being compared is true or anything truthy. Truthy means I told you, right, if condition something like that to be truthy in that thing. So to be false means in the same scenario. Empty means that will succeed if the actual value being compared is empty. So here another one is not empty. And these are all the things. Object containing, this is also one of the thing I will explain you in the next video. Object containing also. String matching, this is also one of the thing. String containing, array containing, array with exact contents. So like this, so you will be having so many things. So you can go on one by one. I don't want to explain all the things, but hope you understood about these asymmetric matchers. So another asymmetric matcher we will try to see it, and we'll close this one. So in the next video. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. I will try to give the reply. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.